In this short tutorial, I'm just going to show you how to add a date picker to a product. So a date picker can be used to gather information from users when they're buying a product. For example, if you're a catering company, users can select the date that they want the food to arrive. But in my example here, I'm going to show you how to add a date picker to a bike rental product. As you can see here, it has two options. You can select your type of bike that you want and whether you want it for a half day or a full day. What it doesn't have is the date that you actually want the bikes. So to do that, we're going to log into our control panel, and then we're going to go to products, and we're going to search for the product that you want to add the date picker to. This one here. Once we're in here, we're going to go to options. You'll see the other two options here, which is the type of bike and the length of time that they want the bikes. We're going to add new option. I'm just going to call this date required. Under input type, then you just click on that, and then you're going to go down to date picker, and I would always recommend to add this as a required option, and then we click save. Okay, so if we go back to our product now and refresh that page, you'll see that date required is now added as an option. So we can go in, we can add the type of bike, full day, and then select the date that we want it, and then go to add to bag. Should go into our shopping cart, and we can see the type of bike they want, how long they want it for, and the date. This is the information that you guys will receive as well when somebody buys this product. Hope you find that useful. If you need any more tutorials, please visit knowledge.gpie.ie, and have a good day.